Hey everyone, so your friendly neighborhood college and career counselor here, creating a short orientation video for all of our Grand Oaks High School families as they visit Grand Oaks High School here Monday, August 24th, 2020 during our pandemic virtual open house. I have already kind of been in contact with you about what the College and Career Center is going to start to look like and how we're trying to make it safe and keep everyone safe, but still very effective and efficient and busy during this season, application season, but also setting us up for senior year. I am very excited to get to know everyone. I have been here for 3 years. So I'm already bleeding the orange and the blue, and you might have already seen a couple of my other videos. I had pretty much a lengthy video introducing who I am and how quirky I am. So I'll put that video on this website as well underneath it. So if you really want to get to know how weird I am, you're welcome to watch that guy. But I guess what I really want to share with my families about the College and Career Center is just know that the information is there. I'm still working on just grabbing all of the resources I can and putting them all there. But there's three really great places that you should probably just get familiar with, and that's going to be the Grand Oaks High School website has a button for College and Career Center. That's our webpage. My Canvas page has even more information because I can put things into categories and modules, and then you can download all these things and tutorial videos and links to websites and all the things. So Canvas is going to be really helpful. And then Naviance, I live in Naviance, and I had a crash course on it as soon as I took this position. So I'm still learning all the things in Naviance, but we are going to basically be using those three things as much as we can. I've talked to Mr. Harden and Ms. Seville, the AP over senior activities, and then the senior sponsor, and we've discussed kicking out a newsletter and housing all of the senior activities information on the college and career stuff, because college and career everything for seniors. I also work with juniors and sophomores and freshmen, but here at the beginning of the school year, it's going to be a big push because we're in college application season, and then we'll start doing some career explorations in the lower levels, and there is a timeline, a junior handbook actually, that I'm going to be communicating out to all of those families as well. So I hope they don't feel like I've left them in the dust, but really this first get-go is going to be a big focus for seniors because it's our last year. It's the most exciting time, and I want to enjoy this ride with you guys. I'm just very excited to get to know all of you. I hope once we're more full-fledged face-to-face. I know that we're trying to ramp up and bring you as many of you back on campus as possible. But I hope that when we're finally on campus that you can stop by and say hi and let me get to know you, and come get to know me as well, and build that relationship and enjoy this senior year together. Lots of really exciting things happening. You'll see on this page, my Canvas page, my contact information is, as well as my college and career assistant, Miss Gracie Aguilar, which I don't think assistant really gives her justice, so I just call her my other half, my better half, my work wife, I guess. And you'll see our contact information, and you're welcome to reach out to us. We have our emails and our phone numbers posted, and we are here to help you discover all the things and make this journey a fantastic one and enjoy your senior year. So I've kind of been rambling. I don't really know exactly what more to tell you because I've shared so much information other places, but just want you to know that we're here for you, we're here to support you, and we're very excited to be joining you on your journey. So thanks for listening, and feel free to check out my other videos. Okay.